Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Monday again, November 4, and I think we can easily start with weekly this time. I just want to check if everything is nice and clean on the live stream. I'll refresh a little bit. Hopefully, everything is working nice. Good morning, Andrei. Sebastian, Robert, good morning, Stefan, morning, Tolga. Okay, I think we have a little bit of lag, but overall YouTube says that video it's okay, audio it's fine, so should be okay. Yeah. Well, if everything is nice, let's start with Bitcoin on weekly chart. I think that's the best approach for Monday morning. Yeah. What we are doing here, we are making a daily plan, a weekly plan because it's Monday, but usually we are doing a daily plan, what we can expect from the market, what levels we should hunt, if it's okay to be aggressive, if it's okay to even trade, and so on. So that's our job in this live stream. Yeah. Some people don't understand what we are doing. A small overview, looking at the market and see what levels we have, so we'll know what to hunt the entire day. Yeah, simple as that. Okay, so Bitcoin on weekly. You can see 69, the old all-time high, and now the market closed weekly chart again below that level. So we have 1, 2, 3 weekly candles closing below 69. Actually, this one was exactly in the 69. You know what I'll say. Yeah? Every time I'll see the market staying for a long period of time below a resistance, it's actually bullish. Indeed, I could see that candle from last week. Yeah? Usually that one is kind of marking the top. But I don't know for how long, and if we'll reject. We need a 3-bar fractal there. That candle alone, not enough for me. I'm expecting, well, not on weekly, but maybe on monthly or maybe on something. I'm expecting a dark mole candle. Yeah, we can push all the way down to 64 in the news and then go back at 69. That will form kind of a dark mole. Let's look left. Well, look at this one. Yeah? Something like this on higher time frame. Because if you go on different on daily, you'll see the same pattern like here and then back down and so on. So I'm still not bearish. By the way, this candle, this weekly candle, even if we'll accept lower and we'll go lower, this one needs a retest. Don't kid yourself. Look left. We had this candle. Next week down, back, retesting the candle. Similar here. So don't think, well, we'll go straight down. No. Market is still strong, is still fighting 60K, 69K level. And I think maybe we'll get another dump, but overall Bitcoin looks strong. We are getting close to 2025, where we should find the top on Bitcoin. So in 2025, at the end, maybe, I don't know when, we should find the top in Bitcoin. So for me now, to be too bearish, it's almost impossible. Okay, let's see some indicators. Well, RSI, it's above 50. We made some W's here, so everything is nice and clean. OBV here, well, bullish divergence is pushing higher, nothing to complain about. Okay, we can go on lower time frame on daily and we can see a bit a zoom in the version, but on weekly, indeed, I don't like this candle exactly, but that candle alone doesn't make the market bearish. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Different image, totally different image. Yeah, so it's clear that we have a different view. You can see here on weekly, still valid uptrend channel, still valid. If you'll go on daily, you'll see it's valid. but it's a total different view. We are still below this big triple top kind of yam, and a lot of room to recover if we want. In the same time, it's a bit too late to think bearish on Ethereum. We can make a W and push higher. We have some W's here, but I don't have the best location for that W. Anyway, we are talking weekly charts, so it'll take a lot of time. Bitcoin dominance on weekly. We closed really strong in 61.8. You know my spiel with this one. Well, 4-hour chart W, daily 4-hour chart M, daily M, weekly M. We don't have anything. We just don't have any M there. We have a good location to think short, but the market could stay here for a long period of time. By the way, you want to know what will happen next? Well, go and split the chart like this and put below total 3 market cap, and just go and see what happened when the market was here. Yeah, when Bitcoin dominance was here, go and see what altcoins did. Do it by yourself. It's your exercise. Yeah, put the same time frame. Be damn sure you have the same dates and see what happened. Okay, see what happened. Will not happen tomorrow, but just do the exercise and you'll understand. Okay, so that's Bitcoin on Bitcoin dominance on weekly. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Deep in the long reload zone, and I said it multiple times last couple of days. I have, I think, more than 1 week saying that, well, it's kind of late to think short on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I have a reversal? No, but it's late. It's in the support here, deep in the long reload zone. I don't think we have an advantage to think short here. Well, let's go and see what we have on Ethereum on daily, and then we'll go on Bitcoin. I want to see this uptrend channel. You can see it's still fighting this level. In an uptrend channel, you should buy the dip here. That's how you trade an uptrend channel. We just closed a bit below $2,500. 2 days. It will be nice for a fake out. I don't know what to say. Bitcoin on daily. Similar. Yeah, we are fighting 69. We are still fighting that level. Yesterday we closed below, but that doesn't make it bearish. Actually, we just retested this W. A deep retest, V top. I should think short here? No. I should think, even if I'm bearish, even if I think, well, could be another local top here and we can go back down at 60. I should think a retest here in this area. 70, 71, short reload zone, usually. Okay? And then, that's the area where you want to short. You want to short Bitcoin here. Well, it's looking ugly on weekly, indeed. It's looking, that candle is ugly, but it's looking ugly, and I'll short here. No. Wait for a bounce in the short reload zone, CNM, and then you can think short. Here it's for a bounce. We are fighting 69. And by the way, guys, this week we have election, which is the most important news in United States. And also we have Fed interest rate, Fed conference, Michigan consumer sentiment, PMI, presidential election I just told you about. So this week, the best solution, if you don't have at least 10,000 trades, 5,000 trades under your belt, is to close everything and stay out. Or you can say, well, fuck it, it's too much noise, it's election. Well, I wanted to vet a setup from a long time ago. Let's vet that setup. Or let's test a new setup. Do something else. Keep your money safe, wait for the noise to fade, and then you can start trading again. Because this week you will see patterns, you will see setups, and you'll think in probabilities, and you'll say, well, if you're a professional trader, you'll say, well, this is a setup, if I'll take it, 60% of the time will work and I'll make money. Not the case this week. TA is not working in fundamental events. plain and clear. Either you are a scalper here and you are sharp enough to enter and exit, well, okay. But usually the TA doesn't work this week. Support and resistance maybe. Scalping on a 5-minute chart, okay. The bots will use the same algorithm. I think will work. But the best decision is just do something else. Sorry to bring you bad news, but that's the reality. Back down here. So don't think short here. Think short here in the short reload zone 71. Even if you want to hedge your portfolio and you say, well, buy when it snows, that means I should get a dip to buy. Okay, wait for a bounce here and then short. To total 1, you can see it looks similar with Bitcoin. Total 2 a bit uglier, has an M, which I don't like, by the way. And total 3 has the same ugly M. They are daily M's and I don't like. Let's get the best case scenario on thinking range. On daily, I don't like these M's. Just look at them. They are too nice. Yes, on daily, we had the top here, we had the M's. Clear breakdown. For the moment, we should wait. Like Stefan already posted a setup, we should wait for a bounce here and think short. That's the drill here. Why? Well, if this is the top, maybe it is, maybe it's not, but I have the short reload zone. And let's think about 5,669. No? Let's think about this one as the best support ever. Let's just think about it. Well, if the market will bounce here in the short reload zone, what do you think will happen? Will give me a really nice trade? Not to think lower than that, just that level. Okay, so I'll put the short here from 61.8, okay? Who wants to play the Mountain Man? Well, you are more than welcome. A Mountain Man will give you a 5-1. A Shark will give you the same, maybe a bit better. But you can take Stefan's setup, or you should say, well, fuck it, I want something simple. You will take the Mountain Man here, stop loss all the way up, take the entire EM here as your window of risk, and you still have a 2-1. Okay? Simple. Is the best trade ever on 2-1? Nah. On daily? Nah. I don't like it. But it's there, and for position trader or swing traders, it's a valid setup. What I will prefer here? Well, I'll be honest. My setup will look like this. Okay? For 34, if we'll go 78.6 candle body highs here with a week, give me an entry and then going back down. That will be the best scenario. Will happen? I don't know. But if I'll trade, let's assume that I trade the traditional market, that will be my setup. Not Mountain Man, the Shark directly. But anyway, in traditional market, Mountain Man works really nice. So you can take Mountain Man, just be damn sure you make a free position at 1-1. Okay, so that's yes on daily. We can go on lower time frame, but I don't think it's the case on 4-hour chart. We are trying to make a W. That W will has a target here in the short reload zone, so will give us an entry. I'm trading yes, no. So I'm just telling you opinion here. Now, we talked about the calendar. Morning, Catalin. Now, we talked about the calendar. Tomorrow, PMI presidential election. The biggest news possible. Not quite the biggest. We can have Black Swan events. Let's not put in the... But it's damn big. Fed interest rate Thursday. Fed conference, and Friday you have Michigan consumer sentiment. So this week, well, ugly. Now, we discussed about a trade yesterday, Sunday, and I took it. Yeah? I posted on Premium, I posted on VIP, I posted on General Chat. Well, on General Chat I post the idea. On Premium I post the complete idea. For VIP I post the same, Well, we almost reached 1 to 1 and you can see we are backing off. We had a retest. I want the market to retest deeper again? No. I want the market to stay here or push higher. The problem I have is this trend line. Market is not too bullish until it will be the other side of the trend line. It's Monday, so we can expect a retest of the lows from Sunday? Possible. But looking left, okay? We have this low from 65. We had the bounce. We had the initial W here and pushing higher, and now we are retesting that W. That's simple as that. It's enough this low and we can go sideways and then up? Yeah, I think so. That's why I took the trade. I could guarantee that will happen? No. No. Sorry. It's probabilities here. Nothing is 100%. But I took the trade and I'll just leave with the results. Ethereum on 1 hour chart looks kind of similar with Bitcoin. But I don't like the W here. Why? This is a bit lower. So I don't like that. DCM is correct. So if you are bearish on Ethereum, you have another chance to short Ethereum. So the high is 492. The entry should be here at 461. $30. Well, not bad. Not bad on Ethereum. And I just saw 70,000 Ethereum in the market, hitting the market. I don't know, I guess 1 hour ago. I just saw on Twitter. Yeah. So indeed here we have an M. We can push lower if will be the case. Let's see indicators. Yeah, you can see what I see here. Yeah. Bearish divergence trying to confirm. EMs through 50 line if will be the case. Well, not this time, but anyway. Yeah. Could go lower, yes. I'll take this trade, the short. No, I'll let you do it. I prefer to wait lower and buy the dip. Let's see something else on 4 hour chart. I don't think 1 hour is good enough for the rest of altcoins. Aevo. 1 hour we had a W. On 4 hour we don't have anything. We're just a 3 bar fractal. This low will hold. I have a small position there. I'll show you the 1 hour. But I think we'll hold. I'm being honest, I don't think so. But who knows? I don't have a reason to close the trade now. So 4 hour chart, no W. Let's wait for 4 hour Ws. People, remember last time when we had 4 hour Ws, what happened? We just need to wait for the Ws. It's simple as that. Wait for a 4 hour W. 1 hour I think is too aggressive. Yeah, 4 hours is the best. Daily it's a bit for people who don't have time. But for us, 4 hour chart for a swing is the best. Doji, nothing good here. I want lower. Dimension, again, is trying to do something. We have bullish divergence trying to form. Look at this MACD, yeah, histogram. Looks okay-ish, but we have a W? No. We can get the capitulation in the election week? Of course we can. That will be the best scenario for us. Okay? What will happen exactly? I don't know. My crystal ball is broken from some years. So I need probabilities to work. FET. Similar. What we said on FET. Let's look at daily. So even here. I want lower. I want in the long reload zone, close to $1 level. If I'll see a W, I'll take the 4 hour W if we'll be here in $1 mark. Yeah, it's a bit too easy, Sebastian. That's the problem. That's a problem. It's almost too easy. No, it's too easy. That's it. I saw it too. Was looking nice. Didn't give us 1-to-1 because I wanted to get in a free position and I didn't have the chance. So I'll take the loss if will be the case. I don't think will go straight down, but it's possible. So, Fed, in $1 area, it's time to hunt for me. Here, no. Similar here, look at this one. Fake out here, W above the long reload zone, people. Remember, W's work best in below 61.8. It's that simple. You need a good location to work. Here we had some W's, 1 to 1, maybe, maybe not. Down. Fake out. But look at this W here, what this W produced here. Okay, so let's wait for a good location there. Manta, no W, no trade. Osmo, no W, no trade. We are at 78.6 on Osmo. So if you want to buy some spot, more than happy. I'll do the same. I'll buy some spot. You can find this one, I think, on Binance. You can find it on KuCoin and so on. Byte, it's stronger than the rest, but I don't see W's here. And we had an ugly top. Saga, all over the place. Don't make me zoom out again, because I'll do it. Look at this one. Big megaphone. Back in the range here. I could buy something like this. Yeah, give me a W. Breakout and retest. That will be my strategy here on Saga. So what I need, a W, breakout and a retest. That will be my entry. Okay. Well, I don't know how many people are watching because YouTube Studio is giving me different numbers. Anyway. Solana. Don't short Solana, it's still strong, guys. I said multiple times, don't. Why you want to fuck around with Solana? Look at this one. Play this range for half a year here. You think it's possible to do a fake out or even a real breakout and go above 200? I think we can. Solana is strong, damn strong. So, in my view, we have two options. One, just leave it alone, wait for the breakout and play the retest on $200 or 180, and you can buy it there as a trade. Or the other scenario, something will happen and will go back down below 100 and then will form a daily W or a 4-hour W. That will be the perfect entry for us. But to short Solana, no. That's my 2 cents. Yeah, that's my 2 cents. I don't think we should short here. Tau. Well, any point to say something about Tau here? No. You can see it by yourself. Do whatever you want. Usually they shield the top. Wasn't different this time. 350 and below maybe. I don't see on daily. I don't see a bottom yet. I don't see a W. I don't see anything special. I don't even see a confirmed divergence. OBV is pointing down. RSI is pointing down. Potential one on MACD, but it's not enough. I'll go on 4-hour chart. And I have bullish divergence on MACD. That's it. But look at this OBV. It's telling me that the market wants lower. So, it's too close now to $350 not to touch it. And if you look at 4-hour chart, well, we can push a bit lower. 300 will not be a bad level. So hunt on Tau, but remember Tau started from a couple of bucks. And now it's $400. 400. I think it's not okay to, don't short. Why you want to short here? I don't get it. What's with you and short, Radu? Why you want to short in 2024? I don't get it. You think you'll outperform the market shorting it in 2024, close to 2025? I think it's better to wait, patiently wait for dips. And the retesting of the lows, maybe fail on the lows, taking the liquidity at the bottom of the range and buy. Short, it's a bad idea here. could work, but you'll underperform and you can lose your shirt in the same process. Because something like Tao or something like Tia or something like any one of the altcoins there, at some point in time when you are short with a big position because they're confident, okay, and maybe you are risking more than 1%, could explode all of the sudden, ignore your stop loss and get a fill at the top. And that will destroy your account. Yeah. If you are playing on futures and you are not playing setup by setup. Well, Elliott Wave gives you enough reasons to see whatever you want in the market. There are people trading Elliott Waves really well, but in general, it's not the case. There are some good Elliott Wave traders, profitable overall, but the mass majority of the people who are using Elliott Waves, they are not profitable. If you think you are profitable, well, show me the last 1,000 trades and show me a positive P&L on them. And I'll trust you. Yeah? I could show you 10,000 with my thinking. Yeah? I could show you a good win rate, a good risk reward, a nice profit. In percentage, in money, whatever you want. Okay? So, in the last part of the bull market, you didn't short it in 2022, 2023, and you are shorting at the end of 2024. Bad idea, in my opinion. Radu, do whatever you want, it's your money. But I think it's a bad idea. It's my 2 cents. Huh? This is the live stream I make, and I'm telling you my opinion. Okay? So, Tao on 4-hour chart, I don't see a W here. Shorting opportunity, no, you can see it's going straight down, didn't give us anything clear. Stefan had an idea here, but even here wasn't the best one. Huh? In my view, don't short. Wait and buy the dip. Tia. Well, Tia, I love Tia to hunt long ideas on it. We had that big unlock. The problem is, now we have a lot of people with a lot of coins ready to panic sell. They didn't panic sell yet. You can see it on the chart. They didn't do anything. They hold their horses. Maybe the community keep them together and they didn't do anything stupid. But in a panic event, you think they will panic and will sell? I think so. So here you can see clear downtrend. I don't see a W. On daily chart, okay, on daily chart, I could see some yams, not too short, again, not too short, but to buy the dip here. We are close. With 4.5, buying a $3 Tia will be a good idea. Below $3, it's a gift. Even here, it's okay to dollar cost average 4.5, but because we are here, day in, day out, day in, day out, we can hunt. And $3, 2.8, 2.5. It's a damn good level on Tia. My 2 cents. If you are not sure, wait for a daily W, weekly W, and so on. Look at what happened when we had the last daily W. Yeah? W, result. Wait for the next one, and you'll see the result. Works 60% of the time in a nice location, and you can see it's more than 2 to 1, so it's profitable what I'm trying to explain here. Okay. That's about it on my short list that is getting shorter and shorter day by day. I spoke about half an hour here. It's Monday, people. Remember, it's Monday. It's before the election. I don't know. VIP guys, I could see that you are scalping with Stefan if Stefan will post something. I posted the Bitcoin chart, the Bitcoin trade on 1 hour. You saw what happened. If Bitcoin will fail that trade, everything what it's at 1 hour on altcoins will fail. Yeah. So protect your capital. We can see this week, like I repeatedly said, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 candle on Bitcoin, which means disaster for altcoins, disaster if you are a swing trader. Will hit your stop loss. Yeah. Let's see the rest on loose. If you remember, V from VIP said, well, I like this one. He said it here. Let's be real. He said it at the beginning of the chart when it was fresh. I said, well, community coin, I don't like it. Look what happened. And people said, well, let's buy this one. We'll go to the moon. And I said, don't chase. I'm not allowed to chase. I'll buy it at 78.6 if I'll see W's. Well, now we have an M. We have an LJ here forming. We have 78.6. And you remember that I said shitcoins love to make a W at 78.6 fib. And look at this W. Will this W hold? I don't know. It's a shitcoin. If one guy from this from the team will decide to sell, panic sell, will destroy this this chart anyway. You can put I don't know, a coffee. You can buy a coffee with 0.1 Solana. I think you can buy 2, even 3 if you are not too you are going in the right place. So if you buy with 0.1 Solana and we'll do 100x from here, it's kind of high market cap from 100x, but I saw even more than that. So buying this W or starting to nibble a little bit here on this one, it's risking to zero. That's the idea. Is the best one. And don't even buy with pizza money. Buy with coffee money. Yeah. You lose 0.1 Solana. Well, so what? Depending on your portfolio. For some people, 0.1 Solana could mean a lot. For some people, it's too little. It's up to you in your portfolio. But I'm thinking if you have a degen portfolio, you can risk 0.5 here. I selected this one because I saw a setup. Yeah, the rest of them, they retraced a little bit. Almost all the meme coins have a dip now. But it's up to you. Okay? I don't see requests. So, let's close the live stream here. I'll go on VIP. Unfortunately, VIP registration is closed. Wait for the offer if you want to still participate. We'll do a nice offer for for December and January, but a bit later in the month. Okay? If you are already a premium member, watch the offer we have for already premium members. And if you are not already a premium member, we have a nice offer with 1 year plus 3 months. I said November because we have Black Friday and everyone is doing offer. Let's do something nice for our community. If it's nice enough, you can participate. If it's not for you, just ignore it, please. Okay? I'm not here to shield you, to tell you, well, buy the subscription. No. If you buy it, okay. We'll let you in if you behave nicely. But I'm not paying my bills from your subscription. So you get the idea. Yeah? Let's find some trades. I'll try to make some money to make some setups today because tomorrow I think I'll sit out and I'll wait with kind of stink beads kind of strategy tomorrow. Today it's still tradable, but tomorrow I think it's too late. Let's put Bitcoin at the end here. Let's go back on 1 hour. Let's see what we have. We are back at the entry. Yeah, Sebastian, you're kind of right here. It was too nice. It's too nice to be true. You have the double, you have the breakout, you have the retest. But okay, why do you have the second retest? Anyway, I'll keep the trade. I'll not do anything. Didn't reach 1-to-1. My plan says to stay the fuck in the trade and don't do anything stupid. I saw trades like this work with 3 retests of the neckline, not only 2. So I'll just leave it alone. Okay? I think this is the shorting area here. So if we'll reach that level, I'll definitely try to hedge, try to short, try to do something. Until then, no. Well, guys, I don't see any requests. I know it's ugly, but keep in mind we're at the end of 2024. Don't lose your patience at the end. Yeah? You will see in the next year. I don't know exactly when. Probably we'll have a really nice bull market on Bitcoin. Altcoins specifically will pump really nice, and you'll miss these levels. Don't be the guy that is coming at the top and asking, well, where I should learn to trade, where I should learn to invest, what I should do now. Well, you have a lot of time from the top, because will be 2.5, 3 years. Well, we discussed FTM and AR, Rado, yesterday. Yesterday we took them one by one. We did a overview on them. Okay, guys, let's close it here. I'm trying to lower the time. I'm keeping the live stream to less than half an hour, like we had in the past. 25 minutes, 20 minutes, 40 minutes, only when we have, I don't know, a lot of requests, when something is happening in the market. Yeah, we discussed Radu. Don't be upset, but we discussed FTM and AR yesterday, and I think you asked the question about AR and FTM. They are not looking different from the rest, that's for sure. Okay, see you guys next time. Tomorrow, Stefan will probably live stream. I don't know. Stefan, you'll do the live stream tomorrow? At least what you can tell me today. We'll see. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.